Alright viewers, we're going to be working in the sort of the micro scale here, and we're going to install the balance wheel back into the movement. Okay, I didn't get the balance wheel in the right spot on the lever. Okay, that's right. See the impulse pin engaging the slot in the fork? That's correct. So before we proceed any further, let's go ahead and set the end shake on the balance wheel. I'm going to back it off a quarter of a turn. Now we need to get the hairspring in the regulator. Once the hairspring is in the regulator, you can rotate it on around and get it to where the stud is at. Okay, see it shoot through the stud. Now we want to slowly back it off to the point where it's going to be in beat. Okay, right about there. Now we're going to get the taper pin. And I'd rather use a pair of pliers than those tweezers. So I like to have a nice secure grip on the taper pin. We are going to move the hairspring around a little bit doing this. At some point it may appear a little bit distorted. We are going to be moving it around a little bit as we get the pinning. Alright, and you'll see that that is not in beat. Okay, in beat is pointing right at the arbor of the fork. So we need to move the hairspring up a little bit in the regulator. I actually like to normally go over just a little bit like that because the hairspring is going to move back this way a little bit as you insert the wedge. Okay. And that's pretty flat. I mean, it could be a little bit better, but that's really pretty good. Okay. Apply just a little bit of pressure here to make sure that that wedge is in snugly. Okay, beat still looks to be alright. We're going to apply just a little bit of rotational pressure now to the center wheel. Okay, I'm backing off the pressure to see what the minimum amount of force is required to make it run. Keep in mind it's not been oiled yet. increase the pressure again. Now right there is the ideal balance motion. Okay. The ideal balance motion is, it comes to about there, reverses, and comes to about there. Okay. I think I'm about out of space, so we'll have to cut this off. On the next video, we'll reinstall the mainspring and great wheel, and we'll lubricate it and see how it runs. So thank you for watching.